Hi, this is Jerry Myron, and welcome to another class from RectorSeal, a CSW Industrials company. Coil cleaners, updated and expanded product line for condenser and evaporator coils. Coil cleaners are a wide selection of products designed to remove grease, contaminants, and thoroughly clean HVAC coils and components. They are critical to maintain a properly functioning HVAC system. The effects of dirty coils, condenser coils and evaporator coils. Having dirty coils can cause limited heat transfer from coils to outside air, making it harder to keep the environment at the desired temperature. Increased energy costs due to the system working harder to compensate for reduced efficiency. And costly repairs or replacement. The average AC repair costs $300. Condenser coil replacements can range from $1,900 to $2,900. There are 4 chemical factors in coil cleaners: acid versus alkaline, surfactant's purpose, chelating action, and dissolving action. The first of which we're going to talk about the acidity versus alkaline. The pH scale that you see measures the acidity on the far left or alkalinity of a substance on the far right. We have 0 to 14. Acid is between 0 to about 4.5, and then neutral is about 5.5 to 8.5. Alkaline is 8.5 to 14. Inorganic soils such as rust, scale, hard water deposits, and minerals such as sand, silt, and clay, those are best to be removed using an acid cleaner. Organic soils, fat, grease, and protein, living matter such as mold, yeast, and bacteria, and petroleum soils such as motor oil, those are best to be removed using an alkaline cleaner. And then there are combination soils, often present the toughest challenge for a cleaner since the soil contains both organic and inorganic components. The combination of those soils are best removed with a concentrated cleaner such as Clean and Safe. The second chemical factor in coil cleaners is the purpose of a surfactant. Surfactant molecules align themselves at the boundary between a liquid and the solid or dirt. Surfactant modifies the properties at the interface where the dirt lies. In the third component, the soil pulls away from the surface or substrate. And in the fourth stage, we see dirt molecules are suspended in solution. Surfactants improve the water's ability to wet the surface, seep into the dirt, and suspend the dirt, which allows the cleaner to do its job. The third factor in coil cleaners is the chelating action. So water hardness is caused by metal ions. Those are made up by calcium, magnesium, iron, and manganese. A major concern when dealing with cleaning compounds such as soap and surfactant. The water hardness, they use up the surfactants, making them unavailable to act on the surface to be cleaned. Remember, the surfactant is the cleaner's ability to wet the entire surface, allowing the cleaner to seep in and suspend the dirt. You do not want to have these metal ions tying up the surfactants, preventing that from happening. Chelated metal ions remain tied up in a harmless state solution where they will not use up the surfactants. Then finally, we have a dissolving action. Those are alkaline agents that help emulsify the oily and greasy soil surface. It also prevents the grease and the oil from recombining back onto the surface. RectorSeal's history with coil cleaners. It all started with Stewart Hall. They began making coil cleaners in 1983 with high-quality products such as Renew's, Fomacoil, Concoil, KO Dirt Blaster, and Coilrite. In fact, they were the first to introduce a high-foaming non-acid coil cleaner. RectorSeal has been a market leader in coil cleaners with the acquisition of Stewart Hall in 1996, having developed products such as Clean and Safe, Dissolve, and Foam Core. RectorSeal has had a long history of innovative coil cleaner products.
I started with RectorSeal in 1996. Prior to that, I was with Stewart Hall Chemical Corporation. It was a small company. I was the only chemist at the company, did all the development work, was also the operations manager. We worked very closely with the air conditioning repair people. the heating repair people. We didn't work without input from the field. We decided to go into the HVAC industry, and I was given the task to develop their full coil cleaner line. So when we went into heating, air conditioning, and ventilation, we decided to become a national company. Our key to success at the time for Stewart Hall Chemical was the development of Renews, the first high foaming alkaline cleaner, which performed as well as the acids, but did not carry the hazard. Initially, we had to go out and do demonstrations, and the market was skeptical, but as we did the demonstrations, in many cases they found that it was a better cleaner than acids. Also, it was less aggressive to the coils. As we developed the coil cleaners, we also had an aerosol filling line, so we decided to start developing aerosol products also related. The passion came from the challenge of developing the best products in the marketplace. In 1988, we realized we needed to expand to dominate the market. We purchased a company called Continental Research Corporation out of Dallas, Texas, which gave us Coil. Coil was a very successful acid cleaner, and that gave us a well-rounded line. In 1996, the owner of Stewart Hall was thinking about what the transition would be. He did not want to sell it to a company that would absorb it. The passion had to continue to make the best products, and RectorSeal was a perfect example of that. So RectorSeal was chosen to continue the legacy. It became a perfect blend of companies to develop the future of all our products.
Important drivers of coil cleaner demand. RectorSeal, we conducted a survey, 636 HVAC technicians, 48% in the residential industry, 42% in commercial, but 65% of those with over 5 years experience. What we learned, 88% use coil cleaners for cleaning, 8% for degreasing, and 2% for disinfecting. 49%, the cleaning strength was the number one driver of the purchase. So the cleaning strength needs to be highlighted. 87% dilute cleaners before applying to equipment. So the word concentrated needs to be clearly communicated. 53% use standard foaming. 37% like the heavy foaming, and 10% like non-rinsing foaming. So the level of foaming action is important. The importance of the survey is to provide HVAC technicians what they are looking for. So here we have the updated coil cleaner product line. Coil, Renews Blue, Renews Brown, Foam Core, Coil-Rite, Coil Cure, D-Factor, Clean and Safe in a gallon as well as our aerosol, Dissolve in a gallon in aerosol, and KO Durplaster. The new additions to the RectorSeal coil cleaner family includes new formulas with Coil, Foam Core, and D-Factor, as well as new products, Renews Brown, Clean and Safe in the gallon, and Coil Cure. In looking at the application for coil cleaners, let's first look at the outdoor condenser coils. You want to have a cleaner that's suitable for the outdoor unit, condenser coils only. A product that quickly penetrates and removes greasy soils and oxidation. Alkaline cuts the grease using sodium hydroxide. Acid is effective against mineral buildup, rust. The foaming pulls out the particulates. But all of these really need to be rinsed within 5 to 8 minutes after applying. You want a product that's biodegradable, safe for all the vegetation around the unit. Condenser coil cleaners, however, should not be used for indoor evaporator coils. The first condenser coil cleaner from RectorSeal, we have Coil, a new formula. It's an acid base, max strength, high foaming condenser coil cleaner. It's acid base foaming, brightener, and cleaner for finned air-cooled condenser coils. Penetrating, surfactant aided, foaming action lifts obstructing contaminants such as bugs, cottonwood, grass, lint, dirt, and oxides from coils. It can be used for cleaning electronic air filters. The aluminum surfaces are left completely clean and insulation-free in less than 5 minutes. And here we have a non-acid product called Renews Blue. It's an alkaline base, max strength, high foaming cleaner. It is a new look for RectorSeal. It is also one that is NSF approved. Foaming action floats all loosened material out of normally inaccessible areas to where they can easily be rinsed away with low pressure water. This includes difficult to remove cooking grease found on thickly coated coils in or near restaurants. It removes the need for using high pressure washers, which can bend the fins and wedge contaminants deep into the recesses of the coil. It leaves aluminum surfaces clean, bright, and shiny. It's highly effective for cleaning electronic air filters, avoiding damage from high-pressure steam cleaning. Another non-acid condenser coil cleaner from RectorSeal is Renews Brown. It is also NSF approved. It's an alkaline base, max strength, high foaming cleaner. Again, the foaming action floats all loosened material out of normally inaccessible areas to where they can easily be rinsed away with low pressure water. This includes difficult to remove cooking grease found on thickly coated coils in or near restaurants. It removes the need for high pressure washers, which can bend the fins and wedge contaminants into deep recesses of the coil. It leaves the aluminum surfaces clean, bright, and shiny. It's highly effective for cleaning electronic air filters, avoiding damage from high pressure steam cleaning. Foam Core is another RectorSeal condenser coil cleaner with a new formula. It is an alkaline base. It's just a slightly less alkalinity than Renews Brown or Renews Blue. It is a high strength, max foaming product. It is also effective for cleaning electronic air filters, avoiding damage from high pressure steam cleaning. It leaves the surfaces clean, bright, and shiny. Now let's talk about indoor evaporator coil cleaners. A cleaner that is suitable for the evaporator coils only. Generally, you don't have a lot of grease to cut down. You want some foaming to pull out particulates. The product is considered self-rinsing. And of course, you want a product that's biodegradable. But an indoor evaporator coil cleaner is generally not strong enough for outdoor condenser coils. For indoor evaporator coils from RectorSeal, we have Coil. It's a non-acidic, mild strength, low foaming product. It removes grime, oil, grease, and dust from air conditioning coils, air handling equipment, as well as electronic and permanent air filters, and all mechanical equipment in minutes. Powerful surface active chemicals actually lift grease and dirt off normally inaccessible surfaces. When you have a clean evaporator coil, that reduces head pressure on overheated compressors. It increases the equipment efficiency and decreases power consumption and cost. Coil is safe for all metals, including aluminum, when used as directed. Coil now has a new look and is NSF approved. This is our self-rinsing product. For cleaning indoor evaporator coils is an aerosol product, brand new from RectorSeal, called Coil. It's non-acidic, mild strength, and foaming. The aerosol will spray when it's held upside down. It's an evaporator coil disinfectant aerosol. It cleans and disinfects. It's virucidal against herpes simplex virus type 1 and 2 and canine parvovirus. It disinfects against Legionella pneumophila. It's designed specifically for HVAC equipment in homes, nursing homes, institutions, offices, schools, motels, and hotels. What's important about Coil, it is an EPA-registered cleaner and disinfectant that destroys bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Coil has been added to the EPA list N as an EPA-registered disinfectant with emerging viral pathogens and human coronavirus claims for use against SARS-CoV-2, the cause of COVID-19. And there are coil cleaners that can be used for both indoor and outdoor coils. The first RectorSeal product that can be used for indoor and outdoor coils is a new formula called D-Factor. Provides maximum degreasing, high strength cleaning, yet low foaming. Removes grime, oil, grease, and dust from condenser coils, evaporator coils, air handling equipment, electronic and permanent air filters, and all mechanical equipment. An extra strong, heavy-duty degreasing formula rapidly cleans grease and dirt off normally inaccessible surfaces. Clean and Safe is another RectorSeal product that can be used for cleaning both the indoor and outdoor coils. It's self-rinsing, mild strength, and has good foaming. Clean and Safe is an OEM approved for use on aluminum condenser and evaporator coils. We provide a new product with Clean and Safe in the gallon and a new look with the aerosol. It's a non-acid, non-caustic coil cleaner, safe to use, environmentally friendly coil cleaner that effectively cleans and removes soils. It's biodegradable and presents very little hazard to people, animals, aquatic life, and vegetation. But unlike strong acid and caustic coil cleaners, this product will not chemically attack or corrode coils, surrounding metal, or other HVAC equipment components or adjacent roofing materials. Again, this is a universal cleaner. It's a no-rinse product that is OEM approved. Here we have a technical publication from Goodman Technical Services approving the use of Clean and Safe on their aluminum coils. In their bulletin, it states, for units equipped with an aluminum tube evaporator coil, the safest way to clean the coil is to simply flush the coil with water. Many coil cleaners and drain pan tablets contain corrosive chemicals that can be harmful to aluminum tube and fin evaporator coils. An alternative cleaning method is to use one of the products listed to clean the coils, and many RectorSeal coil cleaners are acceptable for aluminum coils. To safely clean mini split evaporator coils, we have Dissolve in a gallon as well as an aerosol. It's biodegradable, high strength, and non-foaming. It is biodegradable and presents very little hazard to people, animals, aquatic life, and plants. Unlike strong acid or alkaline cleaners, it won't corrode coils, adjacent roofing materials, or the application tools. It will not harm aluminum, copper, or steel and acts as a corrosion inhibitor with no heat transfer loss. It may be left in the sprayer if you're using the dissolved gallon and will not corrode the parts. It is NSF approved. And under the category of other cleaners, we have KO Dirt Blaster. It is a quick dry solvent, heavy duty, no CFCs, and non-flammable. It's a high-pressure, no-rinse condenser coil cleaner that quickly dissolves the grease and oil on refrigeration coils, oil-burning surfaces, and other machine parts. It's non-conductive, so it's not going to short out electrical equipment such as switches, relays, circuit breakers, motors, and electrical components. Contractors find this particularly effective on restaurant condenser coils with grease and other greasy surfaces. Why RectorSeal's coil cleaners? Because of the longevity. RectorSeal has a history of coil cleaner market leadership and innovation. Versatility. A new complete line of products for all HVAC coil cleaning, maintenance, and applications. And savings. Properly maintained systems save money by improving energy efficiency, extending the life of equipment, and delaying costly replacement. Some additional products from RectorSeal, we have TurboClean AC System Flush. It cleans refrigerant line sets when installing new compressors, after burnouts, or when you're converting from R22 to R410A refrigerant systems. It removes the oil, sludge, carbon, and other deposits found inside AC and refrigeration line sets. It chemically and mechanically cleans with a turbo action. It stays active during the entire cleaning process. The scrubbing action cleans more completely than chemicals alone. It is cost effective and it is a reusable TurboClean system. We provide these products in a gallon, 4 per case, or in the kit that is a reusable injector nozzle and canister, flushing tool, clear plastic connecting line, and we also have the Turbo Clean in a pint, 12 per case. AC Leak Freeze Pro revitalizes air conditioning, mini split, and refrigeration systems by permanently sealing small, hard-to-find micro gas leaks. It does not contain polymers. It is OEM approved, compatible with all refrigerants, infuses into the system through standard service ports. It has a non-clogging nano formula. And to expand on that, it does not react with any moisture or air that may exist within the system. Also have a magic frost formula that enhances system performance. It reduces friction, which reduces compressor noise and extends the compressor life. We also have a UV formula that enables a UV light source to detect larger leaks for system assessment. On the left column, you will see we have a 1.46 ounce AC Leak Freeze Nano. That is the leak sealant. The next item is a 1.46 ounce Nano with Magic Frost. It's a 2-in-1 product that has a leak sealant and a system enhancer, which is Magic Frost. Then we also have a 1.46 ounce that is a leak sealant with UV dye. These items are good for systems up to 6 tons. And on the right, we have a relatively new product, and it's designed for those systems up to 2 tons. The first item is Nano AC Leak Freeze Pro for ductless mini split. It's a half-ounce offering. Then we also have the half-ounce offering that is a leak sealant with a UV dye. Again, since most systems that are ductless mini splits, majority of them are less than 2 ton, we came up with a product for those needs. Gulf Clean Coil Cleaner and Salt Reducer. RectorSeal has partnered with Modine to manufacture warranty-approved maintenance chemicals designed for electrofin and in-situ OEM-applied coil coating. In fact, Gulf Clean is the industry's only Modine CIS-approved 2-step coil cleaner and salt reducer application for protecting coastal area residential and commercial HVAC equipment. The coil cleaner, it cleans the evaporator coils, condenser coils, refrigeration coils. It's a non-acidic and non-caustic product. It removes soils, it powers off dirt, it's biodegradable and environmentally friendly, and has a deep cleaning foam action. And there's 4 per case. Also with Gulf Clean is the salt reducer. It cleans the evaporator coils and condenser coils. It aids in the removal of soluble salts. It's non-flammable. It does not interfere with the adhesion of protective coatings, no VOCs, and it is biodegradable. Both of these products should be used every 6 months and again are the only Modine CIS coatings approved 2-step coil cleaner and salt reducer. Another product in which RectorSeal had partnered with Modine is Gulf Coat, the Contractors Series coil coating. It's protection against the corrosion and UV rays. It's perfect for do-it-yourself application. The Gulf Coat, it comes in an aerosol in blue, 12 ounce, as well as a clear. Now for more information, let's watch the following. In conclusion, here is a coil cleaner selector guide. On the top, you can see all the different coil cleaners that are now available from RectorSeal. If you're looking for the cleaning strength, the foaming, brightening, degreasing, disinfectant, self-rinsing, biodegradable, but also important, is it EPA registered? Or does it have the NSF non-food approval on it? You can look for the dilution ratio and the product code. It's a very easy reference for all of our coil cleaner products. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you for the next class.